In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit music to the beat using CapCut. This is a great skill to have, especially if you're looking to create dynamic and engaging video content that really captures the viewer's attention. So let's get started. First things first, you need to open up CapCut and start a new project. It's as simple as clicking on the app icon and choosing the option to begin a new project. Once you're in, you'll find an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even if you're a beginner. This sets the stage for you to dive into the creative process without any fuss. Next, it's time to bring in the music you want to work with. You'll need to import your selected music track and drag it onto the timeline. This step is straightforward and serves as the foundation of your editing project. The timeline is your workspace, where you'll be doing all your editing magic, so get comfortable with it. Once your music is on the timeline, click the music track to select it. This tells CapCut that you're ready to make some edits to this specific piece. It may seem like a small step, but it's essential because you need to make sure you're working on the right track. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of the CapCut interface and choose Sound Effects. This is where you can access various audio options, but for this tutorial, our focus is on beats. Identifying where to make these selections is crucial for efficient editing. Moving forward, look over to the toolbar and click Beat. From the options that appear, choose Auto Beat. When you select Auto Beat, CapCut uses its sophisticated algorithms to scan through your entire music track and automatically marks the beats with white dots. This feature is incredibly useful because it saves you the hassle of manually detecting and aligning beats, which can be very time-consuming if done manually. After CapCut has finished processing, you'll see white dots along your music track on the timeline. These dots represent each beat in the song, giving you a visual representation of the rhythm. These markers are your best friends when it comes to timing your video clips or transitions perfectly to the music. Finally, use these markers to make precise cuts or time your clips and transitions with the beat. The alignment you achieve with this method can significantly elevate the quality of your video, making it not just a visual experience, but a perfectly synchronized auditory one as well. Whether you're timing a transition just as the beat drops or cutting a scene just when the music swells, these visual cues will help guide your editing decisions. By following these steps, you're not just editing a video, you're creating a more immersive experience that resonates with your audience. So experiment and have fun with it. And soon you'll be making music-synced videos with ease and finesse in CapCut.